Everything you need to know about nothing. It's easy to dismiss nothing as a brand that's just a gimmick. But this Australian startup is quietly reshaping the tech landscape with its sleek, minimalist designs and cutting-edge innovations. With a history of over 4 years and a recent expansion into the Australian market, Nothing has become a standout player in the smartphone and wearable tech sectors. Its products, ranging from smartphones to smartwatches, combine style with functionality, making them a favorite among tech enthusiasts who value uniqueness. But here's where it gets controversial. While Nothing's designs are visually striking, their pricing often places them in a tight spot compared to established brands like Apple and Samsung, raising questions about whether their premium positioning is justified. Smartphones. Nothing's flagship smartphone. The Nothing Phone 3 is priced at over $1,500 and boasts a 6.67-inch display and a battery life that lasts well over a day. However, its high cost is offset by features like the Glyph Matrix, a backlit screen that displays notifications and even profile photos of callers. This innovation, paired with a button for games like Spin the Bottle, sets Nothing apart. Yet, the company's newer model, the Nothing Phone 3A, offers better value at under $700, featuring a triple-lens camera and improved performance. For many, this makes the 3A a more practical choice than the 3. Headphones. Nothing's earbuds, such as the Nothing Ear A at $169, are a bold departure from conventional designs, offering active noise cancellation and excellent sound quality. The company's latest offering, the Nothing Headphones 1, features a squared-off shape with subtle transparency, contrasting with the curved ear cups of most competitors. At $549, these headphones are not cheap, but they stand out for their premium audio experience and integration with the Nothing X app, which allows users to control ChatGPT-like assistants via a physical button. Smartwatches. Nothing smartwatches, like the CMF Watch Pro 2 at $119, are designed with sleek aesthetics and long battery life, though their health features, like heart rate monitoring, drain the battery quickly. The CMF Watch 3 Pro, at $179, promises 2 weeks of battery life, but lacks some of the advanced health tracking found in competitors. Despite this, many users find the watches appealing for their stylish designs and notifications-only use cases. Why choose Nothing? If Jerry Seinfeld could get away with a show about nothing being one of the most successful shows of all time, there's likely a reason behind the brand's appeal. Its distinctive elsewhere design philosophy, highlighted by the Glyph Matrix and minimalist aesthetics, draws customers seeking something different. Plus, Nothing software is praised for its clean, streamlined interface, which contrasts with the more cluttered ecosystems of larger brands. Controversial takeaways. While Nothing's high prices may seem excessive, its innovative features and unique design justify the cost for those who prioritize style over affordability. However, critics argue that the brand's reliance on novelty might dilute its value over time. As the tech industry evolves, will Nothing remain a leader in creativity, or will it fade into obscurity? The answer may lie in the balance between innovation and practicality.